building was modified to accept CNG vehicles, and we actually have a change of air every 5 minutes. It's new air. So if you notice, it doesn't smell like a normal garage.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell the diesel fuel and the oil. It's really nice for us as employees. And it's a methane detector, so if there's any natural gas ever gets up there, it opens the doors up automatically, kicks on the fans, exhaust fans.
This is the gas coming in our main line, and it's a high pressure line from our gas supplier is IGS.
Okay.
And it comes in nominally 150 to 170 psi. Comes into our regeneration dryer system, filtration. Comes into our compressors. We have a dual compressors here, aerial compressors. After it's compressed, it either goes to the vehicle in need of charge, or it goes to our storage tank, and a priority panel will establish that. It will decide on where that gas should go. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell, but we have other facilities here. We have a control room, we have a backup generator, the dispensers, and the facility in the site itself with emergency stops and things of that nature. So there's quite a bit.
So electric generator?
That's a generator, correct.
Okay.
And it's a diesel operated. Aerial compressors, the motor, have a radiator. We have 4 stages. As the compressor compresses in each stage, the gas goes to the cooler for cooling and then back to its next stage. And obviously on the last stage, it goes to the cooler and then to the priority panel, which decides if it should go to storage or to a service vehicle or customer. There's just a little line here going to the supply that goes and feeds the compressors, so that some of that gas can at least let that mercaptan, we call it a mercaptan drip.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, just so you be able to smell that gas. So this is the drip I'm talking about. this valve controls how much, and then this line is what brings it to the supply.
Mhm.
So priority panel in, and we had a couple of things done to this. Design-wise, we had it come with an intrinsically safe heater, and one of our employees, Liz King, or Elizabeth, she had requested that maybe we have some kind of intrinsically safe lighting in there for at night if we were, and she was, I'm so glad she thought of this, you know. So we have a light in there now. We can open it up and turn this light on and see the whole cabinet. It's really nice. So,
Cool.
it was a small engineering fee to get it done. That's the power in, or power soft starts for the compressor. The cabinet you're looking at now is our actual screen, and our modules are in there for the compressor, operating. Our backup UPS sitting on the table here. So we had kits that we brought up out of the ground and put them here where the filters are much more accessible. That's what the cabinet's there for. And of course, that's a dispenser where you would fuel. This is something you wouldn't see straight from Angie, but we wanted the way pistol grip nozzles. It's more like the conventional gasoline
Yeah.
or diesel fueling.
Something
And
somebody's familiar with that they've not
very.
refueled one of these.
And it is a lot easier to use.
Okay.
So I did this special. So
Yeah.
this was different. Normally they would come with the spin one, and,
Right.
you know. And I can open up this cabinet as well.
Perfect.
There's a fire explosion or explosion proof cabinet in these that is where the technology lies, and also where your programming and your weights and measures can be done, things of that manner. Some more filters before the gas gets to the vehicle.
Okay.
We really want to make sure that the cars are getting just fuel,
Yeah.
and not any other substance.
Right.
Some people might fill up their car and go, "Boy, I'm getting a lot less mileage." You know, as I fill up every day, and they're getting less and less mileage because they might be getting hydrocarbons in their vehicle.